Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaj online classes. Class 2nd standard, subject EVS, topic saying prayers. Today we are going to learn saying prayers. Different religions, they are going to pray different places. No, today we are going to learn more about in this lesson. See, dear children, observe in your textbook. Dhruv had a lot of fun traveling to different countries with his mother Rani. He was more interested in the different kinds of houses all over the world. Every night he would call his father and tell him about his day's experience. See children, Dhruv is one boy like you. So he had a fun of traveling to different countries with his mother Rani. So he was more interested in the different kinds of houses all over the world. Every night he want to call his father, he want to share his experience along with his father. So he would call his father and tell him about his day's experience. Understood children? Yes. His last stop was at his grandparents' house in Indore. He was spending a month here. His grandfather introduced him to other children in the neighborhood. Slowly he became friends with them. See children, after visiting, last visit is his last stop was it his grandparents' house in Indore. He was spending after visiting all over the world, he was spending a month here. 1 month he want to spend in this grandparents' house. So his grandfather introduced him to the other children in the neighborhood. ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅವನ ಥರ ಇರೋಂಥ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ he became friends with them. Everybody becomes friends. See, our world has people of different religions living together. Different gods and different goddesses also is there. No, saying prayers means different religions and different gods also is there. Different places of worship. So, we are going to learn more about in this chapter. As they were walking to the market one day, Dhruv's eyes fell on a mosque. Some sounds were coming from that direction. Oh, look at that house. I have never seen such a house. They seem to be having a party. Let us go closer so I can see better, Dhruv requested his friends. So one day they are playing, no? Dhruv is playing along with his neighborhood friends. So as they were walking to the market one day, Dhruv's eyes fell on a mask. He saw one mask. Some sounds were coming from that direction, mask direction. When some sounds are coming, that time, oh, look at that house. I have never seen such a house. He explained his friends, I have never seen such a house. They seem to be having a party. In the house they are doing party. Let us go closer. So I can see better. If we are going near to that house means we can see better. Some party is there, no? We can see and come. Let us go. He is requested his friends. Dhruv is requested his friends. See, this is the mask. He saw the mask. Dhruv's eyes fell on a mask. See, Abdul and Hamida smiled. That is not someone's house. That is a mosque. We Muslims say our prayers there. The sound you hear is people doing the namaz. Our holy book is called the Quran. See, Abdul and Hamida smiled. Dhruv want to see, that house, some party is there. So if we are going closer to that house means we can see better. So we want to go there. He is requested, no? So Abdul and Hamida, listening after these words, Abdul and Hamida smiled. That is not someone's house. That is a mosque. See, that is a mosque. That is a mosque. We Muslims say our prayers there. Muslims say prayers there. The sound here is people doing the namaz. Yes, people are doing, no, that is namaz. See, Muslims say their prayers at mosque. The sound here is people doing namaz. Our holy book is called Quran. See, all the people, many people are staying in the mosque and they are doing namaz. So, our holy book is called the Quran. Quran is the holy book of Muslims. Prophet Muhammad Prophet Muhammad spread this religion many years ago. Yes, Prophet Muhammad, founder of Islam. Prophet Muhammad, founder of Islam. Another day, while reading a book at Jane's house, Dhruv saw a picture of a church. Look, this is just like the castles I saw in Ireland. Jane smiled and explained to him that is not a castle, that is a church. We Christians go to a church to pray. We sing hymns. There is a special prayer every Sunday. The Bible is our holy book. There are lots of very old and beautiful churches in India. Christians pray to Jesus Christ. See, Dhruv friends, another one day while reading a book of Jane's house, he went to read the book. That time Dhruv saw a picture of church. He saw a picture of church. Look, this is just like a castle. I saw this one in Ireland. Jane smiled and explained him that is not a castle, that is a church. We Christians go to church to pray. We sing hymns. Hymns means songs. Christians go to church to pray. They sing hymns. Hymns means songs. They are telling no songs. That songs is called as hymns. We sing hymns. There is a special prayer every Sunday. All the Christians go and pray every Sunday. There are lots of very old and beautiful churches in India. The Bible is our holy book. Christians' book is Bible. Bible is the holy book of the Christians. There are lots of very old but beautiful churches in India. See, here is the two churches we can see in this picture, children. Christ Church and Mount Mary Church. These are the most beautiful churches in India. Beautiful and old churches. Understood, children? These are the two old and beautiful churches in our India. One day, Dhruv accompanied Sukhbir Singh to a Gurudwara. Sukhbir explained to him, we are Sikhs. We go to a Gurudwara to offer prayers. Our holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. We have 10 gurus. Guru Nanak was the first guru to start this religion. The Golden Temple in Amritsar is very famous. You must visit once. Yes. See, this is Gurudwara. Gurudwara, Sikhs go to pray in Gurudwara. We are Sikhs, we go to Gurudwara to offer their prayers. Sikhs are going to pray in Gurudwara. Sikhs go to Gurudwara to offer their prayers. These are the Sikhs. Yes, Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikhs. See, this is the holy book of Sikhs. Bible is the holy book of Christians and Quran is the holy book of Muslims. Okay, children? Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Christians. We have 10 Sikh gurus. They have 10 Sikh gurus. Guru Nanak was the first guru to start this religion. The Golden Temple in Amritsar is very famous. You must visit once here. See, Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak is the first guru to start this religion. Understood, children? Guru Nanak is the first guru to start this religion, Sikh religion. The Golden Temple, it is in Amritsar. It is very famous. You must visit once. You also go and visit once. Okay, next para. Cyrus was a shy boy. He softly told Dhruv, "We are Parsis. We pray in special temples called the fire temples." Okay, Parsis pray in the fire temples. So, Cyrus was a one shy boy. He softly told Dhruv. Yes, Muslims go to pray mosque. Christians go to pray in church. Like Sikhs also go to pray in Gurudwara. Like us also, we are also Parsis. Cyrus is one boy, shy boy. He told softly to Dhruv, "We are Parsis. We pray in special temple called fire temples." These are the fire temples for Parsis. One evening, Dhruv visited a temple with his mother and grandparents. We have so many gods and goddesses. He worshipped to grandma. Gods and goddesses. He worshipped to grandma. He smiled. He offered his prayers the way his mother guided him. He offered flowers, lit a lamp, folded his hands, and sang a bhajan with his grandma. On the way back home, he said, "A temple, a mosque, a church, and a gurudwara are all the same. We go in to offer prayers." Yes, Dhruv told one evening, Dhruv visited to temple. Yes, Hindus offer prayers in a temple, no? So, Dhruv went to temple along with his mother and grandparents. Dhruv visited a temple with his mother and grandparents. We have so many gods and goddesses. We have so many goddess and goddesses. He worshipped to grandma. He smiled. He offered his prayers. The way his grandmother guided. Grandmother ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವನು ಧ್ರುವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ಸ್ನ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. He offered the flowers. Lit a lamp. Lit a lamp means he is going to light a lamp. Folded his hands. See, folded his hands and sang bhajan with his grandma. So, bhajans, they folded hands. After that, he sang the song along with his grandma. On the way back home, he said, "A temple, a mosque, a church, and a gurudwara are the same. All are the same. We go in to offer prayers." Yes, you are right, Dhruv. Everyone has their own method of offering prayers. We should never make fun of others' places of worship. Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of the Hindus. Yes, children, Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus. See, this is Bhagavad Gita. This book is holy book of Hindus. We are all brothers and sisters. Do not hate and fight. Live peacefully and honestly. Be good and do good. All places of worship be clean and peaceful. We must always keep them clean and see that our activities do not disturb the peace in the neighborhood. Yes, children, temples, mosque, church, gurudwara. Hindus go to pray in temples. Muslims go to pray in mosque. Christians go to pray in church. Sikhs go to pray in gurudwara. Like that also Parsis, where they will go? Yes, Parsis go and pray in 5 temples. Understood, children? All are the same. All are the same. They are going to offer the prayers. People go into offer prayers. Hindus hold their hands and lit the lamps. Like that they will sing bhajans and all. Muslims, they will do their prayers is called as namaz. Okay, like Christians also sing the songs, that is called hymns. The song is called hymns. And also Gurudwara Sikhs go to pray in Gurudwara. They also go to pray bhajans. They also offer the prayers. See children, this is in your textbook. This activity you only do help Anna, your new neighbor to the nearest church. Guide Noor's grandmother to the mosque. You should go inside that and you should do that activity. Completed that activity. And also identify these birds. It is known as the symbol of peace. This is called pigeon. Okay, this is pigeon. You have to do color. Color the clouds blue. Blue color you have to do colors. Here do color blue color. For this pigeon you have to put white color. This is peace. Symbol of peace. Okay, I hope everybody understood this lesson, children. Thank you.